Hello and welcome to our PHP tutorial series for beginners, and today we are kicking off our PHP series with an introduction to this versatile programming language that is PHP. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content like this. Let's dive in. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor, formerly also called as Personal Homepage. It was created by Rasmus Ledorf in 1994 and it is one of the most widely used open source general purpose scripting language that are specially suited for web development. It's server-side, meaning it runs on your server to produce dynamic content that your web browser then display. Next we will check why you should learn PHP. So first point is its versatility. PHP can be used for everything from simple script to complex web applications. It is not just for websites. You can use it for command line tools, desktop applications and many more. Second is ease of learning. PHP is considered one of the easiest programming language to learn. Its syntax is straightforward, making it an excellent choice for new developers. Third is the job opportunities. PHP owns a significant portion of the web, that is around 75% of websites are developed in PHP, including sites like WordPress and even parts of platforms like Facebook, Wikipedia. This means there is high demand for PHP developers. Next is community support. With a massive community support, you will find solution to almost any problem you encounter. There are countless libraries and documentation available for the PHP. Next we will check the benefits of using PHP. So it is open source. PHP is free to use, which means you don't have to worry about licensing fees. Second is cross-platform compatibility. PHP works seamlessly across major operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and the Linux. Third is the fast and efficient. PHP has evolved significantly with versions like PHP 8 offering exceptional performance. It executes scripts quickly, improving load times for dynamic web applications. And last one is a rich library of frameworks. Frameworks like Laravel, Symfony, CodeIgniter and Cake PHP simplify the development. Also, frameworks helps enforce coding standards, enhance security and speed up development. Next, we will check what are the uses of the PHP. So first is a web development. PHP is at the core of the systems like WordPress, Drupal and the Joomla. So these are the few commonly used content management systems. It is used for creating dynamic database driven websites. Second is the e-commerce. Many online stores run on a PHP frameworks like Magento, providing robust solution for online shopping platforms. Third is the content management. PHP powers content management systems which are essential for maintaining large volumes of content on our websites. So commonly used content management framework those are developed in PHP are WordPress, Drupal and Joomla. And last one is API development. It is used in building APIs that allows different softwares to communicate, especially with the mobile applications. So that's it from this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for the next PHP tutorials in our PHP series. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.